A stunning example of kitchen cabinet design and style. These kitchen cabinet ideas will give you the inspiration you need to design a scheme that complements the period of your home, your decorating style, and the room proportions, whether you prefer a traditional look with lots of detailing or something more modern, like flat-fronted doors. Cabinet design is one of the most crucial decisions to make when planning a complete kitchen renovation, especially since cabinetry is typically the single largest investment you'll make. If you have a small kitchen, the design of your kitchen cabinets can really make or break your experience there, and it can be difficult to fix a cabinet design error. The design process is also made a little more challenging by the countless cabinet styles and designs available. Here are some examples of both traditional and modern cabinet kitchen ideas. Establish an area for coffee time. It's also helpful to have a coffee station or breakfast cabinet because you can keep cups, a coffee maker, and biscuits all in one place. The cupboard's bifold doors make it simple to access its contents, and the area below could be used to add an integrated fridge drawer to keep milk on hand. Use the open shelves to provide simple access. Other than the standard wall cupboards, there are many different options for kitchen storage. If you are a passionate cook who enjoys having ingredients nearby, or if you are the proud owner of an impressive collection of pottery, open kitchen shelving ideas are fantastic. Modern design. Modern kitchens appeared to raise the bar on stark. Although cabinetry was kept to a minimum and was almost always white gloss, many people found the appearance to be too clinical. Luckily, the modern style that is currently popular is much cozier. However, texture, surface finish, and soft color that add character and are simple to live with have replaced the clean lines and fuss-free finish. Made of wood concepts. If you want a strong, durable, and organic material, choose wood. Each piece of solid wood in a kitchen has a unique grain pattern, adding to the beauty of the material as a whole. Additionally, it ages well. A high-quality wood kitchen will be built to accommodate the slight expansion and contraction that wood experiences naturally. Think about using beautiful woods like oak and walnut or a painted finish, which offers a variety of aesthetics. As an alternative, you can mix painted and natural finishes in various areas of the room. Wood is typically more expensive than other types of cabinetry. Choose a classy handleless design. Modern designs emphasize multitasking, free-flowing shapes with a laid-back appearance. It's a kitchen design that looks great in both modern and historic properties because it comes in a variety of finishes, from high-gloss white to textured woods and ceramics. It is now possible to do away with handles in both wall cabinets and base cabinets thanks to technological advancements in push-open and close doors. Recessed handles offer the same sleek appearance as push-open cabinets if you prefer not to use them, and they can be lined with different hues and materials to add interest. Thanks for watching.